Festival.
So kunjani manje la?
Uyangiva banele?
Mbali.
Celebrating local films and filmmakers in the Kingdom of Eswatini. Swaziland National Council of Arts and Culture, in collaboration with the Swaziland Television Authority, says, let's celebrate local production. This year's film festival will start on a high note. Are you an aspiring filmmaker, writer, cinematographer, editor, producer, or actor? Come join us on Thursday 27 July and Friday 28 July at Movie Zone Ezulwini for a film workshop and presentation starting from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. And on Saturday 29 July is the grand finale titled Gala Night, a red carpet event that's set up to appreciate local filmmakers who have contributed greatly to the development of film and TV in Swaziland. Let's all come together to support our local films and artists. Let's celebrate what we have to get what we need. Get your ticket for Saturday and dress to impress. Proudly Swazi, proudly African.